Hello, and welcome to my presentation on microlearning and how it can be implemented using cloud, mobile, and interactive technologies. Today, I will be featuring an introduction on how microlearning got started, and then look at the defining features of microlearning and along with its instructional benefits. And then also doing a little intro into cloud, mobile, and interactive techs and how they facilitate microlearning, as well as a specific learning task that I see myself using in the classroom that fits microlearning. So, the term microlearning was first used in Hector Correa's book in The Economics of Human Resource back in 1963. Microlearning gained a lot of traction in the mid 90s with the widespread accessibility of internet in households. I myself familiar with the AOL dial-up days. The introduction of smartphones further boosted microlearning by providing portable devices with internet access that included effective content delivery. Microlearning allows people to learn new things in short periods of time. So, microlearning is characterized by its short, focused learning that delivers specific and concise information to learners. And let's go over the 8 different features that I discovered are included in microlearning. And the first is brevity. So, microlearning is designed to be short and focused, typically ranging from a few seconds to a few minutes, and this allows learners to engage with material quickly and efficiently without feeling overwhelmed. Next is that it provides focused learning objectives. Each micro learning module is centered around a specific learning objective or topic addressing a single concept or skill. This ensures that learners can grasp the key takeaway without getting distracted by unrelated information. Third is accessibility. Microlearning content is often delivered through digital platforms, making it accessible to learners anytime, anywhere, and on any device. This allows for greater flexibility and convenience in learning. Fourth is engagement. Microlearning often incorporates interactive elements such as quizzes, simulations, or short activities to enhance learner engagement and retention. This interactive approach encourages active participation and reinforces learning outcomes. Next is multimodal content. Microlearning can utilize a variety of multimedia formats, including videos, infographics, podcasts, or interactive presentations. This diversity in content formats caters to different learning preferences and enhances the overall learning experience. Next is on-demand learning. Microlearning allows learners to access content on demand, enabling them to quickly get specific information or skills as needed. This just-in-time learning approach is particularly useful for addressing immediate learning needs or performance gaps. Next is adaptability. Microlearning content can be easily updated or revised to reflect changes in information or learning objectives. This flexibility ensures that the content remains relevant and up to date over time. And finally, the last feature to look at is progress monitoring. Many microlearning platforms incorporate features for tracking learner progress and performance, allowing both learners and instructors to monitor learning outcomes and identify areas for improvement. Overall, microlearning offers a convenient and effective approach to learning by breaking down complex concepts into bite sized chunks of information, making it easier for learners to absorb and retain knowledge. Microlearning offers several instructional benefits that contribute to its effectiveness as a learning approach. First is improved retention and faster learning. Microlearning delivers information in small chunks, which enhances recall. Learners are more likely to remember key concepts when they are presented in bite sized modules. The concise nature of microlearning enables learners to quickly acquire new knowledge or skills without investing significant time. This can lead to faster learning outcomes compared to traditional, longer formed instructional methods. Next is flexibility and personalized learning. Microlearning allows learners to engage with their own content at their own pace and schedule. This accommodates diverse learning styles and preferences and enables learners to customize their experience. By offering a variety of content formats and allowing learners to choose their path, microlearning enables personalized learning experiences that cater to diverse audiences. Next is increased engagement. Microlearning offers interactive elements like quizzes, simulations, any gamified type of activity, and that could increase engagement as well as motivate students. Interactive features encourage active participation and foster a sense of accomplishment throughout the content. Last is microlearning reduces the cognitive load by breaking down complex topics into smaller modules. It makes it easier for them to process and understanding the information. It promotes better comprehension overall. Overall, microlearning instructional benefits make it an attractive approach for organizations looking to provide effective and efficient training to their learners. Now that we have a better understanding of what the microlearning approach is, we can delve into these different technologies and how, together with microlearning, can create an effective strategy of teaching in the classroom. So, the first I want to look at is cloud technology. Cloud technology has revolutionized e learning by providing scalable and customizable solutions. It offers cost savings, accessibility, and reliability for learners and educational institutions. The future of cloud computing and e learning includes personalized learning, collaborative experiences, improved accessibility, blockchain technology, and continued innovation. Next, mobile technology allows you to use your phones and tablets anytime and anywhere. It is convenient, flexible, and interactive, making learning more interesting and personable. Mobile learning is more often than not affordable, which helps people working together and is an important tool for education and work. The COVID-19 pandemic has led to the adoption of interactive technologies and online learning as a substitute for traditional classrooms. Online education market is expected to reach $350 billion by 2025, with benefits like increased information retention and reduced time spent on education. Interactive learning technologies such as game-based learning, virtual reality, and augmented reality are being embraced to enhance online education and address challenges like lack of interaction and face to face experiences. Looking at cloud, mobile, and interactive technologies, they really have a hold on what helps microlearning function at its highest ability. Cloud based platforms allow for storage and distribution of learning materials over the internet. That means from any device with an internet connection, you don't need physical storage to hold information. They support collaboration, real time updates, and enable learners to share their progress and interact with each other and educators. Mobile devices, again, such as smartphones and tablets, provide learners with the flexibility to engage in content regardless of where they are. Mobile apps and responsive websites make it easy for learners to access short learning modules during break times, during commutes, or any other spare moments they have during the day. There's the benefit of it being portable and convenient that don't limit you to a traditional classroom setting. Interactive features also enhance the effectiveness of microlearning by promoting engagement and active participation. Those interactive elements can be incorporated into microlearning to make the content more dynamic and memorable. So I took a moment to ask myself how I could see myself incorporating microlearning into the classroom. And vocabulary is a huge aspect of what I do in my book clubs with my students. I want them to improve this retention through different microlearning sessions. It doesn't necessarily have to be daily, but I meet with their book clubs at least twice a week. Um, the first option could be utilizing a cloud based platform that allows them to access the vocabulary from their Chromebooks. All my students have one on one devices, and so that could be an incredible asset to the classroom. They can create an account and synchronize their progress going through vocabulary on a Quizlet type website to access the flashcards. Quizlet also has a app feature, so students could, during breaks during the day, when there's 5 minutes in between transitions, or they finish an assignment with 5 minutes left on the timer, they can open the Quizlet and then simply go through the flashcards. And the flashcards can be made into a test, multiple choice questions, and there's different formats that can be made that they can quiz themselves on the vocabulary words from their book. It's quick, it's convenient, and it's easy. Within the app, they can engage with these flashcards and it presents the word in different formats. And all they have to do is click the card to reveal the answer. It can give them pronunciation guides. You can add visual aids to reinforce the understanding or even pull quotes from the book to help them in the book. So I would set a goal to have them review the flashcards, at least 10 flashcards a day, or review it for at least 5 minutes. They select the appropriate stack of cards, pay attention to the pronunciation, and not only the definition, but being able to use the word in context. Um, I think that this could be a huge boost to my students' vocabulary, as well as in response to that, the students' writing would also be improved as well. The app would track the progress also and give feedback on words that they need to focus on or words that they have mastered as well. Thank you so much for taking this time to listen to my presentation. You can follow me on formerly Twitter, now X, at that EdTech Lady. Goodbye.